So you want to learn how to tie your head wrap, but you're having a hard time because you ain't got no hair. What if I told you that the secret is no longer a clean pair of tube socks? It's the wrap base by Fanm Djanm. This is the head wrap base. It's like a little hat, right? The base at the top comes off, like it clicks on and off. You see that right there? And you can interchange them. Use the smaller one or the bigger one if you're feeling a little bit more voluminous. So it goes on like a little cap and it stays secure. So you can move your head around and it's not going to fall off. You're going to take your head wrap. This head wrap is also from Fanm Djanm. I'm just going to wrap it around like so. Gonna give it a little loop-de-loop. We're gonna take this piece through here. Tighten that. Bring it around town. We're gonna lock it in there. It feels a lot more secure than the sock. And the fact that it's already locked in place in the cap underneath really helps you to like lock the pieces in. You can have fun with it in any which way that you like that. Look at that! That was so easy, girl. And what I appreciate is that it's not super tight. It didn't take a lot for me to really secure it in place. Now let's switch out the smaller base for the bigger base and see what it gives when we add a little bit more volume. It's very plushy and very lightweight, so it don't feel super heavy on head. I like where this is going. I like this. You see that? She's sitting up higher, still feels very secure. We could go like this, and like that, and it's not coming off. Thank you so much, Paola, for sending me this. My flabber has been gasted. I am thoroughly impressed. Whether you're bald by choice and you want to wear it for fashion, or maybe you're not here by choice and you just want to protect your scalp from the elements. No matter the reason, it really don't get much easier than this.